Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a really interesting problem that some of you might have encountered. So picture this. You're working with GCP Cloud Run and try to call the Completions API, but suddenly you're faced with a pesky 400 error from CloudFlare. Frustrating, right? The error seems to pop up out of nowhere, especially when the same request works perfectly fine on your local setup. Quite the head-scratcher, isn't it? Now let's talk about the solution that came to the rescue. By making a simple switch from using the HJED Java client to relying on the Java 17 core library client, the issue magically disappeared. It's amazing how a change in tools can make all the difference. While there might be more to it in terms of client configurations, for now, this adjustment did the trick. In summary, we've explored a peculiar problem involving a mysterious 400 error from CloudFlare when calling the Completions API on GCP Cloud Run. The solution? Switching from the HJED Java client to the Java 17 core library client worked like a charm. Technology sure has its surprises, doesn't it? Well, it's time to wrap up this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!